Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the cue card topic is describe a historical period you would like to know more about. एक ऐतिहासिक काल के बारे में बताएं जिसके बारे में आप अधिक जानना चाहेंगे. You should say what period do you want to know about. आप किस काल के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. Why do you want to know about it? आप इसके बारे में क्यों जानना चाहते हैं. How do you think you can know about it? आपको कैसे लगता है कि आप इसके बारे में जान सकते हैं. So I am sharing two sample answers that will help you prepare for this cue card. Sample answer 1 is the historical period I am eager to learn more about is the Mughal Empire, which ruled over large parts of India from the early 16th to the mid 19th century. This era is known for its rich cultural heritage, grand architecture, and the blending of Persian, Indian, and Central Asian influences. What fascinates me the most about this period is the magnificent architecture, like the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and Fatehpur Sikri. These structures are not only visually stunning but also represent the artistic and engineering brilliance of that time. I am also interested in learning about the Mughal emperors, such as Akbar, who promoted religious tolerance and cultural exchange, and Aurangzeb, whose reign marked a turning point in the empire's fortune. Understanding their rule and policies would give me insights into how diverse communities coexisted under the Mughal administration. To deepen my understanding of the Mughal Empire, I would start by reading books and articles that delve into their history, culture, and governance, watching documentaries that highlight the life of the Mughals and their impact on Indian society would help me visualize that era better. Additionally, visiting historical sites like Agra, Delhi, and Jaipur, where many Mughal monuments still stand, would provide a tangible connection to their legacy. Online courses focusing on Indian history could also offer structured learning, making it easier to grasp the complexities of this period. Learning about the Mughal Empire would not only satisfy my curiosity but also help me appreciate the cultural richness and diversity of India's past. It would be fascinating to see how the Mughals shaped the region's history and left a lasting impact on art, architecture, and society. Another sample answer that you can prepare for this cue card is the historical period I would like to learn more about is the Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century in Britain and spread across Europe and North America in the 19th century. This era marks a significant transformation in human history, where societies shifted from agrarian economies to industrialized, urbanized ones. What draws me to this period is the profound impact it had on almost every aspect of life, from work and social structures to technological advancement. I am particularly interested in how innovations like the steam engine, mechanized textile production, and the development of railroads revolutionized industries and drastically altered people's daily lives. Understanding the Industrial Revolution could provide me with insight into how technological progress can reshape societies, both positively through economic growth and negatively through challenges like workers' exploitation and environmental degradation. It would be fascinating to see how the seeds of our modern world were planted during this time. To gain a deeper understanding of the Industrial Revolution, I would rely on several sources. Reading books and academic articles that explore the socio-economic changes of the period would give me a strong foundation. Watching documentaries and films that depict life during the Industrial Revolution would add a visual element, making it easier to imagine the living condition and societal shifts of that time. Furthermore, visiting historical sites like old factories and preserved industrial towns in England could provide a tangible sense of the era. Lastly, online courses or lectures by history professors would help me grasp the complex interaction between technological advancement and societal changes. Learning more about this period would enrich my perspective on how technological shifts can shape human experiences and might even offer lessons relevant to the challenges we face today with rapid technological change. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.